Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am your friend Yugal. In the recently we saw that China is on the top in the Olympics and India is on the number 71st. Yes, you could not believe that, but in the truth, India is on 71st number. Why is it happening? Why China is on the top and why China is doing this and how China is getting that much medal? And if you don't know that China won 91 medals in which there are 40 gold medal, 27 silver and 24 bronze. But talking about the India only got 6 medal in which there are only 1 silver and 5 bronze. Yes. So let's start from China. Why China is good in Olympics? In the China, you will not believe that there are some Olympic factories. Olympic factories, you don't know about that? So I will tell you. Olympic factories are the factories which government make, or you can say, if you don't want to say Olympic factories, you can say Olympic academies, in which the government is taking test of students, in which they choose 4 lakh students, and after that the best 0.1% means 400 athletes which are the best. The 0.1% of 4 lakh is 400. So the China took 400 best athletes in the Olympics, and that's why the China is doing great. But what happened inside of that Olympic academy or factory? I will tell. In the inside of that Olympic factory, in the starting, I will tell you from the starting. In the starting, if you started your journey, if you are a beginner in the school, you started your journey with LKG or KG. So the China would take your test, in which the China will see your qualities, not your etc. thing. They will see your qualities. Like if you have good reflexes, so the China would put you. The Chinese government would put you in the table tennis, which has good reflexes. If you have good physique, good body, so the China will put you in the gymnastics. And if you have good, you can say, mindset and etc. things, so they will put you. And also if you have good shoulders, so they will put you in archery or body or weightlifting, so wrestling or weightlifting. So that's why the China choose there. After that the taking test, in that 4 lakh students, they give them full time training, and you will not believe that in a year the Chinese government will give you some little bit time to meet with your parents, meet with your relatives, and beside that the Chinese government would give you full time training. After that after that they will choose 0.1% people athletes which are the best in 4 lakhs athletes, who are the best in the 4 lakh athletes. So they will choose them, and then the remaining 400, the 0.1% of 4 lakh is 400. So they will choose 400 athletes. Yes, 400 athletes they will choose in that, out of 4 lakh. Out of 4 lakh, they will choose 0.1% best athletes, and they will send them to the Olympics. Yes, that's why China is getting medals. But should we apply it on our India? Competition started from China only. The competition started from the China with their own self in the starting of of athletes' life when they joined their school. And do you want to know the some fun fact? Do you want to know that? I will tell you in the end. So because of that, the India is not getting that much medal. Like let's take example of Indian physical education. Most of the government schools, I'm not sure about the private school. Most of the government school only give us half an hour to play in a week. So it's really good if they would give us 1 hour or 2 hour to play. So we would get gold medal and more than it. So that's why India is not getting medals, and there's lack of academy in our India, and many more things are not there in the India. Yes. Infrastructure, sports, grounds, and also in our school there is no cricket. So how we can participate in that? And also Indians are only obsessed with one sport, which is cricket. They do not support any kind of sport, Olympic sport, like you can say wrestling, archery, etc. They do not support that kind of thing. So that's why most of the people don't like to join the Olympics. They always are getting attracted to the cricket. And in the fun fact, I wanted to say that the fun fact is that do you know the IQ of an athlete, Olympic academic top academic athlete IQ? Do you want to know that? So the shocking truth is that the IQ of an athlete in the China is below than a fifth class IQ student. Yes, because they don't join their school. Most of the athletes which are very obsessed with the Olympic, they does only full time training, and because of that they have lack of IQ, but they're representing their whole country, so it doesn't matter. And my last question is that you can also comment that should we apply this thing to our India, that should we make Olympic factories? So tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening. I hope you like this presentation. Like, share, subscribe. This side you will.